Hi guys, DANS Dollars here. A very good afternoon to you all. Here we go then. We are back with a giveaway on the channel. Good luck to everyone that is taking place. There's going to be 5 coins appear on the screen now. The first person to comment all 5 of these coins mintage figures, exactly how many of the coins were made for circulation, will get the hands on this Platinum Jubilee 50p coin. Again, this is not the version that was released for circulation, as it does feature Her Majesty on horseback. Here we go then with the 5 coins. There's going to be 3 £2 coins and 2 50p commemoratives. The first coin then is going to be a £2 coin, and it's from 2015, and the coin then is the Magna Carta £2 coin, an absolute beauty. But again, number 1, how many of this coin were made? Number 1 is the Magna Carta. We move on then to coin number 2, and the first of the 50p commemorative coins. This one then from 2013, and definitely one of my favourite designs on a 50p coin. It is the Christopher Ironside 50p coin number 2. We move on then to coin number 3, and back to those £2 commemoratives. Probably hurting your feelings if you are looking through those coin albums for those mintage figures. And the coin then is the William Shakespeare Tragedies £2 coin. There was indeed 2 other William Shakespeare coins released in 2016. We had the Histories and also the Comedies. 3 coins down, 2 more still to go. The next one then, another 50p, and it's actually the first of 3 Peter Rabbit coins to be released for circulation. This one then released in 2016, and we like to call this one the Peter Rabbit Full Face Half Whisker, as he only has half a whisker there on the left hand side. The final coin then, coin number 5, an absolute beauty, and back to those £2 commemoratives. It is the Great Fire of London £2 coin. Try and get it to focus in a little, sorry for that, there we go. The Great Fire of London, we've got the commemorative date 1666 to 2016 to mark the 350-year anniversary since the Great Fire itself. So then the 5 coins are on the screen now, and the race really has begun. The first person to get the 5 mintage figures in the live chat or in that comment section will get the hands on that Platinum Jubilee coin. Number 1 then is the Magna Carta. Number 2 is the Christopher Ironside. Number 3 is that William Shakespeare Tragedies. Number 4, the 2016 Peter Rabbit. And number 5 is the Magna Carta £2 coin. By the time that I've finished saying this now, probably there's already people getting those numbers in that comment section, and I'm sure in the next minute or so we will already have a winner. As always, if you do have any questions or queries as well, everyone, please do hit them there below. And again, if you'd like to see your game featured on the channel as well, please do get that below, and we'll try and get it up as soon as possible. Some good news when it comes down to the coin hunt. We'll be starting the £2 coin hunt on the 1st of next month. It isn't an April Fool's, which is a good thing indeed. We will still be doing at least £150 of 50p coin hunts every single day, but again, we will be doing a £2 coin hunt every other day, and every week we will try now and do a 10p coin hunt as well. I do understand that those 10p coins are super difficult to find these days, especially those 2019 alphabet coins, never mind the 2018 versions, but we'll do it just for a little bit of fun, and also it could be a good way to go over a question and answers video whilst we also look through those 10 pences in the background. So just before I give you all that little minute just to concentrate without me talking in the background, if you are trying to figure out those coin mintage figures, a few things happening today. We're going to be going through some more coin hunts on the channel, plenty of coin reviews, and also we will be looking at the results of Guess Dan's coin, and there will be another one of those going up later on as well. Can anyone catch Terence Day at the top of the leaderboard? That is another question, and I'm sure we'll find out if anyone is close to him in a couple of hours' time. Again, a huge shout out to all of the mothers out there. I hope you're all having a really nice Mother's Day. A beautiful day for you all indeed. So again, get those 5 coins, those 5 mintage figures in the comment section below, and I will be crowning the winner a little bit later on this evening. Finally, then, them coins are the Magna Carta, coin number 1. The Christopher Ironsides is number 2. Shakespeare Tragedies is coin number 3. Peter Rabbit from 2016 is number 4. And number 5 is the Great Fire of London, also from 2016. Best of luck, everyone. I really do hope you've enjoyed this. Stay safe, and as always, guys, thanks for watching.